Move up, you're good. My Milsim again?
Yes, way more Milsim. That was Milsim right there. That was great. I hope that's on camera.
Left.
Dead battery.
Yeah. Did you?
See, with lipos, you can't do that to a lipo. You kill a lipo. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
But for like $9, you buy a little checker and plug it in, and it'll tell you exactly what it's at, if it's balanced.
Dude, that was Milsim, bro. You see that? This fucking.
Until you got blasted hard.
I saw the kid who was shooting at me.